In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pricing page in Lovable Dev. By the end, you'll have a polished, conversion-ready pricing section that looks great on any device and clearly communicates your plans. Open your Lovable project, and in the prompt area, type this instruction exactly as a single request. Add a modern pricing page with 3 tiers: Starter $9 month, Pro $29 month, Enterprise $99 month. Include monthly/yearly toggle, feature comparison, CTA buttons, FAQs, and responsive design. That's it. Lovable will take this prompt and generate the UI and pricing structure automatically, so you don't have to assemble components by hand or wrestle with layout details. Once Lovable finishes, you should see a clean layout featuring 3 pricing cards, each clearly labeled with the plan name and price. The monthly-yearly toggle will appear at the top of the section, letting visitors switch between billing perspectives in one click. This helps people compare long-term value at a glance, which is great for boosting conversions. The generated design typically uses consistent spacing, readable typography, and visual accents that make the primary call to action stand out without feeling pushy. You'll also get a feature comparison area. This is the table or checklist that shows what's included in Starter, Pro, and Enterprise side by side, making it easy for customers to pick the plan that fits. Below or alongside the plans, you'll see clear CTA buttons on each tier, usually something like Get Started or Choose Plan, positioned to guide users into your sign-up or checkout flow. There will be an FAQ section as well, which is important for addressing common concerns about billing, cancellations, and what's included. Good answers here reduce friction and help visitors feel confident about upgrading. Because the prompt requested responsive design, the page will adjust automatically across desktop, tablet, and mobile. Use Lovable's preview to view it at different widths and confirm that pricing cards stack neatly, the toggle remains accessible, and the CTAs are easy to tap on smaller screens. Keep an eye on contrast and font sizes. Clear labeling and readable prices are crucial for quick decision-making. That's the whole process. Type the instruction, let Lovable generate the modern pricing page with Starter at $9 per month, Pro at $29 per month, and Enterprise at $99 per month. Complete with the monthly, yearly toggle, feature comparison, strong CTAs, FAQs, and a responsive layout. You now have a professional pricing page created in minutes, ready to present your plans with confidence.